Okay, welcome to Tortilla Takeover. Tonight we're making some crispy fried tacos. Now these are called all kinds of things, dorados, tacos. These are made with raw hamburger meat. You put it in there. I added green chili and cheese and then fried them. They're nice and thin. They're kind of like Jack in the Box tacos, but much better. So let me show you how I make these, and I'll come back over here and we'll do a taste test. Okay, first thing you want to do is heat up your corn tortillas. I've got a little bit of oil in here. You just want to get them so that they soften up a little bit. The oil's not quite hot enough. Okay, and basically so when you fold your taco, they don't break on you immediately. Just do a very quick, light fry. And then while we assemble the tacos, I'm going to get some hot oil going. Should be enough. For the hamburger meat, I just got a half a pound here. I'm going to use some Spanglish Asadero taco seasoning. You can make your own. Add a packet, whatever you want. You can use a whole pound. This stuff here is really pretty good. So I'm going to mix this in here. I just want to season your taco meat a little bit. All right, so I have some fresh diced peeled green chili. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix the green chili in with my meat tonight. You can just add it on top. You can add it after they're fried, actually. A lot of people do that. Once they're fried, they're really thin and crunchy, and sometimes you can break them when you open them. That's okay. That's okay too. So these are going to be pretty much, add your salsa. If you want lettuce and tomato, you can try putting it in there. But I think we're just going to add some salsa on top of all of this. Okay, now let's get these tacos assembled. Okay, and there's my soft shells. And what I'm going to do is, it only takes a little bit, like maybe a tablespoon, maybe two. So, you want to press it in half of your tortilla, just like that. Very thin layer. I might have a little bit much in there, but that's okay. Okay, so we have some, I'm going to put my cheese in too right now. You can use American cheese, cheddar cheese, whatever kind you like. I like using this quesadilla white cheese. Okay, fold it over, set it to the side. Okay, got all my shells put together, nice and thin. Drop them in your hot oil. Now your hamburger will cook because it's nice and thin. These are very similar to like what you would get at Jack in the Box, like those tacos. I don't want to get them all crispy like this one back here, so to let them cook a little more. And you can flip them over again, it doesn't matter. Let me see, you should be able to see that your meat is done. Looks like it's nice and done. Just want to get them nice and crispy. I'm just going to put them on a little cooling rack over here to the side. Okay, and there they are, and as you can see, the meat is totally done. And at this point, I'm going to add a little more cheese to mine. Oh, yep, the bottom just cracked. And then I'm going to add some salsa in there and call it good. You can add whatever toppings you like. If you want lettuce and tomato and all that in there, go for it. I just like cheese, green chili, salsa. Yeah, see that one? They will crack, but it's okay because they're super thin and they're crunchy. Okay. Okay, what do you think about that? Yes, you put a thin layer of raw hamburger meat. It does cook while it's in the frying in the oil like that, and it only takes maybe a minute to a side, depending on the heat of your oil. So let's just take a bite. I added cheese and a little salsa. That's all I really care for in my tacos. I don't like them stuffed with lettuce. Sour cream sometimes. So here we go. See, they're done. And they're really good. Like I said, some people put American cheese, some people put cheddar cheese after they're already cooked. I like throwing it in there before. Again, these are old school, lazy tacos. Some people call them hamburger tacos. There's several different names for these. Anyway, give these a try. I think you'll like them. I think you'll find them a little addicting. Thanks for checking out Tortilla Takeover. I hope you have a great day.